Hello you guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Celinaa and I make press-on nail content here on YouTube. I've been doing nails for a little over a year now, but I do still consider myself a bit of a beginner, so if you want to tag along in my nail journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these XL Matte Fall Frenchies with gold accents, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so I already went in and buffed the nails that I'm going to be using, and these ones I got from Amazon. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. I also went in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe to make sure that the surface area is clean and ready for the base coat. The one I'm going to be using is from Beetles. It's a really good one that I rave about in all my other videos. If you haven't tried this one out, I would say give it a try. It's a really good one. So using this base coat, I'm going to be going ahead and putting light layers on each of the nails and then cleaning down the sides to make sure we maintain the shape. And here are the nails after we cured them for 60 seconds in the nail lamp. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the nude polish I'm going to be using as my base for this set, on top of like the base coat, but this is the nude polish. It's from RARJSM. I got this one from Amazon and it's in the shade Baby Pink. I believe the shade number is 427, but I'll leave it down in the description below in case you guys wanted to find that. So I'm going to be putting down the first coat of this color. As you can see, it's pretty sheer, which, I mean, when I bought them, even the title said that they were all pretty sheer already. So with that being said, I'm going to probably need to build up the color. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch me paint the nude onto the nail, and then I'll let you guys know how many coats it took for me to build it up. And now after cleaning up the sides, we're going to put these in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to move on to painting on the Frenchies. Here are all the colors that I'm going to be using, which the two polish brands I'm using for this are from Beetles and Modelones. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below. First, we're going to be going in with the pinky, creating a yellow French. And as you guys could see, I already built up the color on that nude shade. It took me about 3 coats to completely like build up. So what we're going to be doing is kind of just painting the nails on now, and then after we get this design on, we're going to go ahead with some matte top coat. So how I'm creating these Frenchies in particularly is just taking the brush applicator that already comes with the gel polish and just putting that polish on the end of the nail where I'm gonna want to like create that arch, and then I go in with my long liner brush and just drag that polish down on the sides to create a seamless French look. Y'all, I don't know why, but it took me so many tries to actually like be able to do this. I had to redo this nail probably like 10 times until I like actually got it right, but that's just because like I'm low-key a perfectionist. Not to say that like all my sets are like perfect or anything, but I really try my best to like try to get like the shape coming out the best as I can without having the gel make it look super blotchy or like super bulky. So if you're creating these at home, don't be discouraged. It might take you a few tries if you've never done like Frenchies before, or if you're just like pretty beginner level at it. Just make sure to take your time and stay consistent with like learning them, so eventually you could start doing them a lot faster than you did when you were first learning how to do them. In my case, I feel like it was just one of those days where I didn't like how any of my Frenchies were coming out. I feel like a lot of you guys can relate to that for sure if you already do nails on clients or at home in general. So yeah, I think it was just a bad day, but I mean, we all have bad days, so what can you do? Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the ring finger, and for this one I'm gonna be using this pumpkin-y looking shade, and I'm just gonna be doing all those same steps that I did on the last nail. Skipping the middle fingernail, we're gonna go right on to the pointing finger, and I'm gonna be using this darker cherry red for this Frenchie nail. And for the last Frenchie nail, I'm going to be taking this chocolatey brown shade and repeating all the same steps again. After I'm done painting those Frenchies, we're going to put them in the nail lamp to dry. Okay, you guys, my favorite part now, we're going to go ahead and put on the matte top coat. The one I'm going to be using is this one from Kiara Sky. I really like using matte coat sometimes over top, like regular top coat, because I feel like it really gives like the nails more of that acrylic look to them, even though we're just using gel products only. It just really ties the nails all together really well, and you guys are going to see what I mean after I'm done putting this on. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys see me put on this matte top coat, and then I'll be right back. Also, I know it's a bit tedious, but don't forget to clean up those sides every time you apply a gel product onto your nails. Okay, you guys, oh my god, look how they look after applying that matte top coat. Like I said earlier, it really does give off more of that acrylic effect, even though we only use gel polish. So yeah, this is how the nails are looking. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on the rhinestones and the charm. So for the rhinestones, for the smaller ones, I'm gonna be using these gold ones right here. These are the ones I showed you guys from my Hobby Lobby / Michael's little nail supply haul run. It is over up on my channel in case any of you guys wanted to go give that a watch. But yeah, I'm going to be applying that using my McCart rhinestone glue. And we're going to be focusing putting that glue towards the back of the nail where we're going to be applying those gold accents. As far as the rhinestone placement goes, I'm going to be only doing like 2 of them on the pinky and the thumb, but on the pointing finger and the ring finger, I'm only going to be using 1 bigger one just to give it a little bit of a difference. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead with the middle finger and we're just gonna be applying the glue right in the middle. I'm gonna be placing this really cute heart charm that has this really adorable crown on it. And then after applying that charm on, I'm gonna go back in with my gold rhinestones and I'm just gonna be making this kind of like swirled out effect with it that you guys will see momentarily. And after applying those rhinestones and the charm on, we're gonna go ahead and let these cure in the lamp for about 45 seconds. And after letting the nails dry in the nail lamp, we're now just gonna go ahead and file the ends of our nails. And for this, I'm gonna be using my Pana 80 grit file. This has a really great grit to it and it'll be linked down below for you guys if you're looking for a really good nail file that gets your nails nice and crisp. This one does the job really well. Going in now using my Lavinda handheld electric file. Look at that bling bling, guys, I love it. And I'm also going to be going in with my Pana safety drill bit just to clean up underneath the nails. I'm going to be setting that to forward at about 10 RPMs. Alright, you guys, here's the finished product. I'm super happy with how these nails came out. I feel like we really crushed the shape, and if I'm being honest, I always love a good matte set. They just truly always will have a piece of my heart. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post, which is scheduled every Tuesday and Thursday. Also, you guys, it's that time in the video where I give a big shout out to my now 35 subscribers. We are climbing, you guys. I'm super happy and also, as always, super appreciative to you guys. I really want to focus on doing more fall themed nails at the moment since obviously they're going to be really trendy due to the season, but I'm not mad about it at all. Fall is actually my favorite season out of all of them. Leave a comment down below if you guys are excited for the fall season as much as I am. Thank you guys again for watching today's video. I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.